Oh, oh, I have done a thing! Oh, yes. Okay, so I have been obsessed lately with making this cord out of grocery bags. This is grocery bags. Yeah, I use a crochet hook, slightly modified, and a simple technique. And this was all that cord. I made the 32 feet in one day. I've been obsessed with it. These are lengths that I was hoping to use with my plastic jewelry. Like use as a necklace string. So I've been messing with this. These are plates I bought for $1. Got a whole bunch of holes in them, really cheap. And I got a bunch of bolts, and nuts, and it's basically a really cheap and easy peg system, kind of like a wire jig. But I used my thread around it, and look at it. Look, it's thicker. Okay, this can, and I got one hand here, but it can be stretched. It can be pulled apart, and I would need to test this. It's probably still breakable, but it's a lot tougher. But look how thin it is. Let's compare. Okay, they look the same. It's better. It's better. Let's pull this off here. Let's see if it retains its shape. It's kind of going for like a cell phone holder thing. Oh yeah, with this, I'll show you what this doodad is. So I've been taking soda bottles and using this jig to make shapes, and it works. It works. Like this actually will hold a phone. It's actually really cool. I'll show you another thing. It's it makes pretty sturdy things out of soda bottles, and still experimenting with that to make it better. But let's get this off of here. Look at that. It's still a triangle. Oh my god. Okay, so these bits here didn't fuse together. I was trying to see if they were nearby they would fuse. No, they shrink and separate. But you definitely get a definitive shape out of it. Oh man, can you imagine like if it was a zigzag and but it was still a string and you could like have your necklace hang from it? Oh man. Oh, this is gonna be cool. And even like the end really hardened, the loop there. So that means I can make a really cheap and easy loop, like for necklace. Okay, I'll show you now. Anyway, let me show you what I've been doing with this jig here. I got it over here. So I can make interesting, like cheap little shells. Again, this is just from a 2-liter soda bottle and just thumbtacked. I'm hoping to make like more mobile shells for my pegboard, because pegboard systems are really expensive. That's the problem. The pegboard is cheap. The hooks are really expensive. So I've always tried like different hooks and things, and you see, I need more, and I'm trying to come up with like the perfect system. But this could be like really good if I can get some better pegs for the pegboard. But it's already here. Let's kind of show you. Let's get some Smash Brothers in there. There, nice, neat little shelf, and yeah. Squirtle approves. Look at that. Look at that. I mean, it doesn't hold a whole lot, but the Squirtle approves. Look at how happy he is. See, it's this one got a little canted, but I'm seeing some potential for some interesting shapes. I did a thing. I'm so lonely.